A month ago, we announced an exciting DJI launch coming this month. We pulled the video 2 days later. Let's explain why. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and yes, a month ago we put out an exclusive video announcing that DJI would be launching a product in April, and we pulled the video just 2 days later. Unfortunately, however, it was too late and the news had already spread quite widely.
And our friend DroningON posted an article talking about a new DJI event on the 23rd of April.
We've had lots of comments on our video since asking where did the video go? Well, actually we did comment and explain on our YouTube community thread, explaining that the event had been postponed and that DJI notified us of this, and so we pulled the video because it just looked silly that we're announcing a date and giving some teaser information that we've been given permission to release, only for the launch actually not to happen. We've had accusations from some trolls of our video being fake news, but as loyal followers of our channel will know, when it comes down to DJI launches, we are always correct and accurate. So this was absolutely not fake news. It just happened that the launch has been postponed, and we wanted to pull the video to avoid that news distributing further when actually it's not going to happen yet. There are a number of reasons as to why a product or a launch might be postponed, but don't see it as a negative. It's simply a way for the manufacturer to hold back from taking your hard-earned money and delivering you a product that's perfect instead of just slightly not perfect. I'm currently working away in the Nordic countries and I have been testing various products over here. Anyway, keep watching, do subscribe to be the first to see our breaking news and exclusive videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Apologies again if it got you guys a little bit excited prematurely, but I promise to bring you the latest as soon as I'm able to. I hope this explanation settles the minds of some of you guys. Thank you very much for watching.